Hi everyone, today we'll show you how to connect an Arduino to a Jetson Nano and read sensor data. We'll be using three sensors, a soil moisture sensor, a light sensor, and a DHT11 sensor for temperature and humidity. Next, we wrote and unloaded an Arduino sketch using the Arduino IDE on the Jetson Nano. After unloading, we used the serial monitor to confirm real-time sensor data for soil moisture, light intensity, and temperature and humidity. And so you can see the data is coming out. Oh, and we inserted the soil moisture sensor into the soil, and we observed the data rising from 0 to 42, 39, 42, and you can see the sensor is working correctly. Next, we opened the Jupyter Notebook in the virtual environment on the Jetson Nano to process the Arduino sensor data. Using the PySerial library, we read the data in real time and saved it into a CSV file for further analysis. As you can see, the data were collected by 2 to 3 seconds. And here's the CSV file. You can see the values for soil moisture, light intensity, and temperature humidity. Next, we implemented a chatbot using Gragio UI in the Jupyter Notebook within the virtual environment. For each sensor, we defined specific functions to display real-time data and previously saved values from the CSV file. This allows us to interactively check both current and past sensor readings in a user-friendly interface. And you can see the chatbot tells you the information about the file of soil moisture at 60% and the real-time data shows 0%, demonstrating the difference in current and saved values. Also, we asked the data from the file and also from the real time of light intensity, humidity, and temperature. And you can see the results are great. Finally, in the same virtual environment, we set up a system to send sensor value notifications to Discord, allowing real-time alerts for measured data. And we were able to confirm that the sensor values were successfully sent as notifications to Discord. We also designed the system to display a warning message on Discord, such as water the plants when the soil moisture sensor value drops below 30.